Viewers, this niche research is very much important, you can say very important in the success of our website, or you can say in ranking. Hello everyone, this is Hanan. Welcome to Amazon Affiliate Marketing and SEO course. Today is our lecture number 5. Yes, in this lecture number 5 is about we're gonna start this niche research. Viewers, this niche research is very much important, you can say very important in the success of our website, or you can say in ranking. Niche research is very much important if you are if you want to rank your website. So we need to see a couple of things in niche research. There are some rules in niche research, or you can say 60-70% your success depends on your niche research. So very first thing we need to in is low competition. We need to find a low competition niche, because if competition is high, then you need more time to rank a website. You need more time, which means you need more energy to rank this website, and which means you need more and more investment to rank a website. Yes, that's why we prefer to work on low competition niche. So there are two types: micro and macro. Micro and macro niches. Micro, you can say micro niche. I'm gonna give you an example as well. Micro niche is like pinpoint, and macro niche is like a broader website you're gonna see. Suppose let me give you an example of micro niche and micro and macro niche. You are going to cover, your website is on cricket. So cricket is a micro niche, and sports is macro. Let me give a more example, or you can say cricket. Football, your website covers only football, so football is a micro, and the same sports. If you cover all the sports, cricket, football, hockey, table tennis, all other sports, which means your website is a macro website. Let me give you, if your website is on Clash of Clans, this is a gaming app. So if you cover only these games, which means you have a micro. But if you cover all gaming apps, it is a macro niche. I hope you will be clear about this, the difference between micro and macro. What we do, start from micro. We start from a micro niche. Once micro niche is ranked, so we move towards macro. we're gonna start from micro niche and we will work on this website, and once the micro niche website is ranked, then we move towards the macro, and it will be more easy for us to rank a macro niche as compared to micro niche, because our micro niche is already ranked. We have a good authority in the eyes of Google, so we have some authority. We people know our website, we are getting some traffic on website, so that's why it will be more easy to rank a macro website. That's it is the difference of micro niche and macro niche. So except this low competition, now the question is how we know that this is a low competition niche. How we gonna do this? The very first thing we do, keyword volume. We do this with criteria. There is some criteria I will explain in upcoming lectures. So this keyword and DA of top website. So what is DA? DA mean domain authority. You can see here the DA is 71 of this website. So we will check the Google trend. I'm gonna explain each and everything how we gonna check and this. So let's see best running shoes as our example. You can see if I have installed the Moz, and once you will install the Moz extension, you will see this DA is 85, 94, 91, domain authority is 10. As much as low, it will be a low competition, 63, 61, 58. So these are website on SERP. I use term SERP, which means search engine result page. SERP is called when you search. This is the first page, so we call it SERP in the language, search engine ranking page. So this is the SERP. On SERP you can see there is a big websites, high DA websites, so which means it's a high competition niche. So in the next lecture I will explain you what is the criteria for keyword volume, DA of top websites and Google trend. See you in the next lecture. Share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.